We've been lucky to be able to grow somewhere between 30 to 40% every year. And with that growth, it constantly comes with challenges and new hurdles that we need to overcome. And Uptick, the support has been there, the help has been there, and the system itself has been everything that they've promised to be. When looking into a new software system is how can I make things easier for my technicians and how can I make it easier for the operations to use. I've looked into many other software companies. I've also went as far as creating our own software with Salesforce, but that was extremely painful and didn't go the way we wanted. But when I looked at Uptick and start talking to them, seems like extremely friendly people, system to be extremely easy, friendly use for the office as well as the field technicians. Very easy use, and as far as the cost wise, it all made sense.
Having those photos and those reports available to the customer is key for what we do, especially when you're trying to explain to a customer what the defects that you were seeing, because a lot of times when we're out in the field, the customers aren't with us side by side. Mm-hmm. So when we hand them documentation that provides them with pictures of what we were seeing in the field, they then come to an understanding of what it is that is the problem and or what needs fixed and how fast we can get a turnaround to it. The biggest key feature that affects me is invoicing. Being able to send that information to our invoicing office to have them get the quicker turnaround time to process payments and get everything situated for the customer is drastically improved from using Uptick from our prior service.
Yeah, so after you guys put Uptick in place, now what does it look like today for the department?
It's a lot. Okay, so it's so much cleaner. I love the dashboard feature where you can see exactly what jobs are out, what specific jobs you need to be billed, what specific jobs are pending, and everything like that. It's just a lot cleaner on both the office and the technician aspect. My team loves it in terms of billing, where it makes it a lot more clear for the accounting side to know what to bill, what's ready. The technicians, again, they're able to make it clear on what is deficiency, what is not. They love the whole reporting feature, the service report feature that you guys have.
Cool.
It's been really helpful, man. And that's another thing that I do love about it is the routine servicing of it. I've taught my team, again, it's the first year I know it's a little bit of input, but at that second year, I can't wait for those to come up. It's gonna make retention a lot easier. So, and it helps in terms of regenerating the quote. I'm excited for that to happen too, when we actually be able to the quote from last year's right there. We're gonna generate it for this year.
The current system that I had, it was probably less than 1/10 of the cost of what I'm paying Uptick. If I can reduce admin time, if Uptick can help us to upsell and explain things to our customer much easier in more streamlined, it would automatically pay for itself month after month after month.